Metric Center for the exam. Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, now I'm on to my last slide, which is summarization. So we have seen about project management, we have seen what makes an effective project manager, and now I would try to summarize it for you. So please understand, PRINCE2 and PMP do not compete. Instead, they are complementary. There's considerable misunderstanding in the marketplace about the differences between the two approaches. So as I shared that these are complementary. PRINCE2 and PMBOK adopt two different approaches to managing a project, and by their nature, they complement each other. Some of the flaws are there in either of them. For example, the key criticism of PRINCE2 is that it misses the importance of the soft skills required to manage a project, and it would probably provide more detail on knowledge areas such as scope management and contract management, which PMBOK provides good guidance on. It is possible that the recent popularity of PRINCE2 is because it provides a standard approach for the management of all types of projects. Every function of an organization can use it, whereas PMBOK leaves it open to the PM to decide on their approach, which often means different approaches to manage different projects. Larger organizations have preference for standardizing the management of project. Otherwise, they cannot sustain. They cannot afford to have different project management methodology for their hundreds of projects. And they view PRINCE2 as a solution for their standardization. The other advantage that I see with PRINCE2 is that little project management experience is needed to apply it, whereas PMBOK requires time and experience to be appropriately applied. PMBOK can be summarized as an approach that provides information on what a project manager needs to know. So I would rather call it an operational Bible, that when you are on the ground, then you need this Bible. Whereas PRINCE2 demonstrates how to apply this knowledge. That is the whats and the whys. The process clarity and the strengths of PRINCE2 are balanced by the depth of the PMBOK guide. Okay, so this is how I would like to put that. The PRINCE2 gives you a lot of process clarity because it is a process-based approach, whereas PMBOK guide gives depth. So they balance each other. So in summary, if I say a skilled project manager is the one that can apply the knowledge areas of PMBOK with the aid of project management process of PRINCE2. A highly skilled PM should also have the know-how to apply these methods appropriate to the scale, complexity, nature of the project, and adapt them for the fast-paced projects. So finally, I would like to say that PMBOK and PRINCE2 make ideal partners. They have sufficient similarities to make them compatible, and they have sufficient differences for each to benefit from the strengths of the other. So if you choose to use together, which is also a very good option by the way, you are taking advantage of the two most respected project management approaches in the world today, and they're getting the best of both. So very recently I've seen many people are certified both on PRINCE2 and PMP, and by the way, I'm also following the same path, so I'll be appearing for my PMP pretty soon. That's what I shared in the beginning. Now I come to my last slide, which is on the useful links.